Hello boys, as you can see today it's raining and it's a new video, so remember to subscribe for more of this before you continue watching and freeloading off me. No, I'm joking. Anyway, so today we have this thing's going to move and Mimi the Maestro, so my garage is a mess, she's going to move. This is the last bout of Mimi the Maestro. All the cars are lying in the streets ready, so now all I need to do is see if the Fiat starts up, so we'll give that a go. Main thing I try to do here, especially for Neil who has massive knackers for taking this project on when I've given up, is make it as easy as possible. So for example, you've got, well, make it easier because he's picking up something that someone else has torn to pieces. So in there we've got the engine mounts and all that stuff from the engine bay, things to mount the engine to the car. In there we've got all the pistons and internal components which are ordered from that side onwards. And then you've got all of the other stuff from the top end of the engine in there. You've got a new wing in there. And then we're going to grab some of my spare parts over there and chuck them in there. This will go over the top. This will either get put back on the mounts or put in the boot. And then, yeah, but your uncle, there we go. So, yeah, it's quite sad to be honest with you. Shout out Alex. If you would like to go on my wall of stickers, well, my window of stickers, let me know and send me one. I will just contact me on Instagram or wherever and I'll stick you on it. And you'll get regular subscribe to Alex in every single video, more or less, that I'm doing here. So obviously this is quite bittersweet because, you know, this car's going. This is the first one on the channel that's going to be, well, third on the channel that's going to be going, and then she's going to be coming in. So that's going to be nice because I'm actually going to be able to work on that now. So she's going today and going to Neil, who I'm sure will look after her. And then, yeah, we'll be going a bit further. So onwards and upwards, I guess. I'll probably speak to you in a second. There she is, up as always. Pretty easy, pretty standard. Listen to how loud she is though. A lot of smoking out that exhaust though. Just because she's a bit cold, bless her heart. I haven't been started in ages. You can hear it in this car. Now listen to this in this car now, turn this off. Listen to that. What a monster. Obviously she's going to finally be out of the cold and the wet, so that's nice. Look at the beading. Epic. I pumped these awful tyres that I'm going to be getting rid of. Anyone else have any tyres on your Coupe? Let me know. What do you have? That looks friggin' awful and makes me want to die because it's terrible. But look at that. It doesn't sound, the belts don't sound too healthy, but before she's recommissioned properly I'm going to obviously sort that out. But to test just to see if she bolts along, and she does. She starts straight up. Just found £2 in a nice one. Good job. Of course I'm moving out now because that's it, I guess. So yeah, I'll get to more moving out, and then obviously we've got to load everything in her. So there we are, we're all packed up and all ready. More or less, well, every single Maestro part's going, obviously. Yeah, quite sad. So I'm gonna crack the garage open, and then it'll be the first time she's seen the sun in a couple of months. And then hopefully the guy should appear. Obviously the coupe is ready, the other cars are all away. So yeah, it's quite sad, but oh well.
All right on that side there.
There she goes, Godspeed, my little one. That's it. Oh, I'll see her again. Hello my friends, so that is it for this one. But look at that, look what's inside. The coupe, finally, so I can now work on it. So stay tuned for up and coming videos on this beast. Of course I've got to tidy up. I'm not sure if Neil will want like a few quid of his money back since he's left some of his Maestro behind. No, I'm joking, you don't really need that. But yeah, Neil's channel, I'll put a link in the description. I'll try to put an annotation up if I'm that technically inclined. But yes, I'm so excited that this is in. Obviously Mimi the Maestro, God rest her soul. Well, she's not dead, is she? But she's, you know, she's gone somewhere else, gone somewhere where someone can look after her and sort her out. I was kind of not feeling it, really, because, you know, you got to think about it. I've got this beast sitting outside that I need to do. I have the Vitesse, which is making its comeback. And I'm neglecting these two for my Maestro. And the Maestro was only supposed to be a temporary. This car's sort of my forever beast. Obviously, you can see how good it looks. It's just incredible sitting under this. So I'm going to dry her off. And then, yeah, going to clean up this garage. So thank you for watching. Keep watching and remember to subscribe for more of this. More of that, definitely, because god damn, I can't believe she's back. What a beast.